Hello everyone, welcome to Twinkle by Twinkle. I am Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing not one, not two, not three, but 5 things that took my hair from this to this. Without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So the first tip that I would like to share with you guys is a special hair care mask that I like to use that have changed my whole life. For that, you guys need to watch this video. So for this mixer, I used 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. You can use it according to your hair length. And then I mixed 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Since coconut oil suit my hair type, I use that oil. You can use any kind of other oils as well. Alongside that, I also used a vitamin E capsule. You can also use a drop of lemon if you want, but I did not have lemon at that particular time, so I did not use it in this video, but I do use it sometimes. I mixed the mixture and applied on my hair by making sections so that it could be sprayed thoroughly. And after that, I kept it for 1 hour and washed it off with normal shampoo and conditioner. And guys, let me tell you the benefit of this mask. First of all, your hair will be smooth and silky. Second, it helps to reduce the dandruff as well. Third, there is no frizz. The first time that I used this mask, my mind was blown because my hair usually is very coarse and frizzy, so I have to use very different kind of product to make it soft. But this mask worked like a charm in the first time, and I have been using it once a week, and it had been giving me results, guys. You can use it depending on your hair wash days. It can be either once a week or twice a week depending on your choice, but I would suggest using it once a week. Second thing would be hair oiling. Hair oiling can never go wrong with any kind of hair, especially for high porosity hair like myself. There are different kind of videos available in the social media, so you can watch those videos. Identify your hair porosity and then search products that would suit that hair porosity, because everyone has a different hair porosity. So the using products that suit your hair would depend upon the porosity of your hair, if you get what I'm saying. Hair oiling is very important. I have tried like mustard oil, coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, many kind of oil will suit my hair type. The only hair oil that I am satisfied with is coconut oil. It does not give me that icky feeling, and the residue does not last for long in my hair. I think that it is a huge improvement from any other oils that I have used in my life. Third point, and the very important point, is to minimize using heat. The heat can damage your hair very quickly and very easily if used without hair protection. If you like styling your hair continuously, it can be quite a challenge for you to maintain a good and luscious hair. So what I did was to go for heatless styles, heatless curls. Basically the band that you can wave your hair around and sleep with comfort at night, and when you wake up in the morning your hair is all curly and luscious. So it was quite a change for me as well. I have tried the heatless curl method in the past as well, so and it works beautifully for my hair type, especially since it's coarse and somewhat frizzy. It holds my curl well and more beautiful. So heatless curling method is a plus point if you want to style your hair and be stylish using less heat at the same time. The fourth point that changed my hairstyle, hair care journey and life was using protective hairstyles while sleeping. The hairstyles like bun or tight pony can easily damage your hair and make it more rough. So the best way for you to sleep during the night would be to braid your hair in a loose hairstyle, or you can always twist and turn, like you can always do this. You can always twist and turn your hair like this and secure it with the rubber band. It is loose, it does not harm your hair. It is, when you wake up in the morning, you get a slight kind of wave in your hair that looks quite natural and it's lovely. So it is kind of win-win situation for you. Use a productive hairstyle, it will blow your mind. The five and the last thing that I would like to say: love your hair. Just love it, understand it, spend time with it. Initially, whenever I used to compare my hair with my siblings, I used to feel very down, because they had very good hair, straight hair, luscious hair, but I had a rough, frizzy, wavy textured hair, and it was quite difficult for me to understand and associate that with the kind of image that I have in mind of good hair. So it took me a time, it took me decades to understand my hair is different than other hair types, and that the care and affection that I should give my hair is also different. Spend time with your hair, understand what product suit you, what does not suit you. At the end of the day, it is your body, it is your health, it is your hair. Protect it, love it, and be kind with it. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also do comment what type of videos you would like to see next, so I can make those kind of videos as well. Bye.